Welcome to Cart2Cart, an automated shopping cart migration service designed to help you move your store from one shopping cart to another with no programming skills necessary, no software to download, and free demo migration available for you at once. This video tutorial is going to show you how easy it is to migrate your products, customers, and order history from several shopping carts to Magento Multi-Store with Cart2Cart. To get started with Cart2Cart, all you need to do is sign in with your existing Google or Facebook account. You can also register a new Cart2Cart account and you'll be on your way to creating your long-awaited store migration. It's completely web-based, so there's no software to install and you can get started right away. So now go ahead and log into your Cart2Cart account right on Cart2Cart website. You can choose between two options. If you would like to perform migration on your own, then click Start Migration Now. If you would like to get assistance from Cart2Cart team, then request Assisted Migration. This video tutorial will show you how to perform migration on your own. This migration is regarded as several separate migrations because you have several source URLs and one target URL. As an example, we will use several OS Commerce stores as source shopping carts and Magento Multi-Store as target shopping cart. As a result, you will get one target store URL. Now, all you need to do is follow the simple step-by-step wizard to start your migration. First of all, set up your source shopping cart, that is your current cart. From the drop-down list, select OS Commerce Shopping Cart, then include your shopping cart URL. To proceed with your migration, you would need to download the connection bridge, that is the so-called access gateway to your store data. For detailed information on how to set up your connection bridge, follow the corresponding link for further instructions, or watch the dedicated video on the topic. So now, we can click Proceed to the next step. According to the same principle, set up your target multi-store shopping cart. From the drop-down menu, select Magento Shopping Cart, include your target cart URL, and download the connection bridge. So now, click Proceed. Now you're ready to proceed with selecting the entities you'd like to migrate. Those could either be your products, reviews, product categories, manufacturers, taxes, customers, and orders, along with the other corresponding information, or everything all together. So, as an example, I'm going to check all the entities. You can also select additional options for migration. They are provided for additional cost, so make sure you have enough funds in your account. So now we can click Proceed to the next step. Here, you can see a multi-store configuration setup. You are able to match source and target stores. As an example, I can map my default source store to test store view or French store view. The data will be transferred to corresponding categories of the chosen target store. If you don't select any target store from a drop-down menu, the data will be migrated to the first target store in the list. For detailed information on peculiarities of Magento Multi-Store mapping, you can follow the corresponding link. Now, click Proceed to the next step. With Cart2Cart, you have a chance to map the currencies set in your source cart to the ones that will be displayed in the target cart. My target shopping cart doesn't contain any other currencies apart from US dollar, so I can skip this step. So now, click Proceed. If you've selected to migrate your orders, the service will provide you with a chance to map your order statuses, if there are any. So go ahead and change them around for your best convenience, or leave them as they are and proceed to the next step. And so, as easy as that, you are all ready to start your demo migration. At this point, you can check all the entities again. For your convenience and safety, it's highly recommended you actually proceed with the demo migration. If you'd like to migrate all your entities right away, you can skip this step. It's for you to choose. I'm not going to skip the demo migration to show you how it works. The service will start transferring data right away. You'll be able to track the migration process from the same window. Make sure not to close your browser until the demo is over. You can minimize the browser window if you'd like to proceed working on something else and get back there when the demo is done. Right after the demo migration is done, you can check the results on your target store. Now, you can go ahead and start your full migration. If there's not enough funds on your account, you'll be asked to charge it with more credits. If you have a discount coupon code, check the appropriate field. Otherwise, double-check the entities that are about to be migrated and click Start Full Migration button. Now, your full migration is on, and you can track the migration process right there. At this point, you can close your browser window. As soon as the full data transfer is completed, you will receive an email notification to check the results. To transfer other source stores, follow the same migration procedure. For each source shopping cart, you will have to start separate migration. All the steps will look identical. Right after that, you can check your newly established Magento Multi-Store right away. So that's it. It's as simple as that. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start your store migration right now. Go to www.shopping-cart-migration.com to make your dream store come true.